Welcome to Attack. Today I will tell you that how you can select custom ringtone on your mobile phone. You can select any song from your playlist or you can record any ringtone. So let's get started. So we will move to settings. In settings, after scrolling you can see sound and vibration option. We will simply open it. So after a little bit scrolling you can see SIM1 incoming call ringtone. So we will change it and select a custom ringtone. We will simply open it and you can see a list of by default ringtones in my mobile phone. But we want to create a custom one. So on top you can see custom ringtone option. We will simply open it. And here is the list of my songs in my playlist. So there are two options. First one is music. It includes all the songs in your phone and you can also record your ringtone. So I want to select any song, so I will select first one and you can see its name, Boost Your Aura. I reduce the volume to avoid copyright. So I will select first one, Boost Your Aura. Now we will move back and check that is it functioning or not. So I will again select sound and vibration. After scrolling you can see Boost Your Aura ringtone is functioning. So in this way you can select any custom ringtone in your mobile phone and you can record your own ringtone. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.